Hello student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. God bless you. Here we are doing mole concept. Which of the following contains more molecule? 1 gram of CO2, 1 gram of nitrogen, 1 gram of hydrogen, or 1 gram of CH4. So what we have to do, the molar mass of the carbon dioxide is equal to 12 gram for carbon, 2 atoms of oxygen are there, so 2 multiplied by 16, so 44 gram molar mass. Molar mass of nitrogen is equal to 14 multiplied by 2. This is the atomic weight of the nitrogen, so it is 28 gram. Molar mass of hydrogen is 1 into 2, that is 2 gram. Molar mass of CH4 is equal to 12 plus 1 into 4, because 1 carbon atomic mass 12, 1 hydrogen atomic mass 1, 4 times 4 hydrogen is there, so multiply by 4, so 16 gram per mole. Now step 2, number of moles is equal to weight in grams by molar mass, and number of molecule is equal to given moles multiplied by 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules. So we will do this. 1 gram of each we will write on 1 and divide it by molar mass of CO2, molar mass of nitrogen, molar mass of hydrogen, molar mass of CH4. Now we will see which is having highest denominators. This is having highest denominator. What does it mean? This will be the least, number of moles will be least, which is having least denominator. So 2 is the having least denominator, so it will having highest molecule. Okay, why I am saying so, I will tell you here. Moles on this 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23, right? So 1 by 44 will be having molecules 1 by 44 divided by this is Avogadro number divided by 44. Here Avogadro number divided by 28, Avogadro number divided by 2, Avogadro number divided by 16. Clear? So which is having least value of denominator, so number of molecule of hydrogen will be maximum over here as compared to others. So first rank goes to hydrogen. I am writing first. This is first rank, and second, which is the next one, 16, because this number Avogadro number divided by 16, so this is second rank. Means after hydrogen, methane is having more molecule than carbon dioxide and nitrogen. After that, nitrogen is having molecule more than CO2 but less than hydrogen and methane, and least number of molecules are present in carbon dioxide. Okay, number of moles, 1 mole is having 6.022 into 10 to power 23, so 1 by 44 is having this number divided by 44. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to power 23, so 1 by 28 will be having how much? 1 by 28 multiplied by 6.022 into 23, half into this, 1 by 16 into this, so hydrogen is having